Cherry, and this is my unboxing video for the Versace Medusa chain reaction bag. This is actually my third Versace bag with the chain. These are my other two bags. So my new bag is like a bubblegum pink color. So watch me unbox her. I got her from C-Tire. So when I saw this pink bag, I fell in love because pink is my favorite color. And I love that these bags come with the detachable straps, as well as the detachable chain strap. This way I can switch the colors. Wow, that's different. I've never gotten a bag in the mail with this covering before. Oh my god! I'm so excited. Okay, let me put this to the side. Dun, dun, dun. So on the site, this bag looks like a bright bubblegum pink. Not the hot pink or the soft pink. They got, yes, this bag comes in like 3 different pinks. So I got like the medium color pink. And it looks like the perfect shade online. So here it is. It comes in a dust bag. Yeah, this is a cute ass bag. Oh my god. So this is the small Versace Medusa chain reaction bag. This is the Medusa emblem in the front on the buckle. See that? And this is the back. It says Versace. Oh my god, so pretty. And this is the chain that it comes with. So my black chain reaction bag came with this strap as well as a solid black leather strap. So I'm hoping this one comes with the extra strap as well. So this is the card. And these are the cards just showing like the authenticity of the bag. So I paid about $2,000 after taxes. I paid about $2,000 for this bag. Yes. So this is the Rfid Chip Tag, and the actual chip is inside of the bag. So anytime you put your phone, if you have a smartphone, anytime you put your phone next to the bag, it will read the RFID chip automatically, and it'll take you to the website where you can register your bag. So I'm excited to do that. I like to register all my nice bags. That's cute. And yes, this is the extra strap, and the strap looks pink. And it has like black, like a black border. See, it's the strap. And I'm happy it came with 2 different straps because I want to use it on this bag, and I can use this gold chain on my new pink bag. So I'm happy it comes with this. And this is the small. I like medium-sized bags. I'm not a fan of the micro bags or the mini bags, but I think this is so cute in a small, you know. Ooh. She's so pretty. I love my bag. So if you're thinking about getting the small Versace Medusa chain reaction bag, definitely get it. It's even cuter in person. Oh, this is the inside of the bag. And these straps are removable to make the bag larger and give it extra space. But I never take these off. And that's the extra pocket. A lot of Versace bags come with this extra pocket, and I love that for like my cards. If I want to slip it in my bag real quick, or some money, you know, when I have cash on me. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, cherry_dip. That's DIPP. Thank you.